Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is the 5 reasons why people fail to make any money online. So, if you're interested, make sure that you stick around. So, the number 1 reason why people do not make any money online whatsoever is they have limiting beliefs. And a lot of people don't even think that they have limiting beliefs, but they do. You have to actually believe that you can do what you're talking about and what you want to achieve. If you don't believe what you can achieve, then you're never going to make any money online. So believe that every day you have to work towards your goals. If you don't do that, you'll fail more and more and more. So make sure that you do that and actually believe that you can do that. This will help you take so much action that it's crazy. So make sure that you get rid of these limiting beliefs. It's hard work to do that on yourself, but you really have to believe it. Look around, look at all the people that have made it, that started from zero, and you can actually make this. Number 2 is probably the biggest one ever. This is the fear of failure, and that results in taking absolutely no action. I've talked about this to so many people. So many people want to start their online business. So many people want to build a huge life, want to make money online, want to build a personal brand, want to start a YouTube channel, and they don't do anything because they're scared of failure. Now, failure is something that everyone that's ever made any money whatsoever has faced. You can look at all the successful people, you can look at Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos. All these people have failed. I've failed. Anybody else that has a successful YouTube channel, anybody else that's ever made any money online has failed. That's just a fact. If you want to be successful, you have to fail first. This is just a stepping stone to your success. If you haven't failed, you haven't made any money. It's just as simple as that. And think about it. What's the biggest failure? Maybe it's just staying where you're at. And that could be a huge failure. If 20 or 30 years from now you look back on your life and say, I wish I had started, I just didn't start just because I was scared, that's probably a big failure that I would want nobody to ever face. So if you want something, just start. Yes, you will fail, it's just a fact, but you absolutely have to get through it. This is one of the biggest keys to success, because if you're scared of failure, you'll just never start. I see so many people that say, yes, I want to start this video, I'll make it in 2 days, and then 2 days later they say, I'll make it tomorrow, and then it's the next month, and it just goes on and on and on for years, and then they just watch other people make some money online. So if you want to start, don't be scared of failure. Yes, you will fail, but the faster you fail, the faster you'll make it. Number 3 is people care too much about what other people think. Anybody that's ever made money online that hasn't come from a family where they're all business people, they will have people around them that say that they don't believe in them, that why is this person not going out, why is this person not doing this, why is he not partying, why is he saying that he's working on his business. People are just not aligned with what you're trying to do. And if you tell everyone, 99% of the people would just say it's stupid, or at least they think it is. So one of the best things to get rid of that is just not to tell anyone. I have very few people that I know that know about this YouTube channel, but I'm not hiding it in any way. If somebody says, yeah, I've seen your YouTube channel or whatever, I'll gladly talk about it, and if they say it's stupid, then so be it, but I'm not going to stop just because they say it's stupid. but I just don't go talking about it a whole bunch. I have a few very close friends that know about it, and that's it. So the best thing is not to tell too many people or anyone, and then if people do find out, just don't really care about their opinion. And when I say don't care about their opinion, it depends who they are. If they are where you want to be, then it's a good thing that you probably care about their opinion. But if they're not, and their life is completely opposite to what you're trying to achieve, then just don't worry about their opinion, and then in the end it'll work out. So don't care too much about what other people think, and the best way to do this is not even to talk about it in any way. Number 4 is people are way too comfortable. I see this all the time. People would love to start their online business, they would love to start anything, but they're just too comfortable. They have their job, and they like to go out. And by the way, I'm not talking down on people having a job, but if you have a job and you want to start your online business, you better work overtime and do that. If you come home from your job and you start working on your business, that's awesome. If you come home, you want to start working on your business, but instead you go out with some friends to party or whatever it may be, or just relax and chill on Netflix, then it's probably not the best thing to do, because you're just way too comfortable where you're at. You have your job, it's good, it's okay. You would like to have that online business thing, that time freedom, but it's alright working on your job. And that's the biggest thing that people always fail at, is they're too comfortable. You have to give up the good for the great, and that's like a saying that's known all over the world, but very few people actually apply it. So if you're too comfortable, there's not too much you can do about it. Just work on yourself and stop and think about what you can do with your online business if you actually started working on it every single day after work or after school or whatever it may be. Just think about how life would be different in 5, 10, 20 years, 30 years, whatever it may be. So just be prepared and start working on your business, and that's the best thing that you can do. And the last point is the lack of purpose. You see, imagine yourself, picture yourself on, if you've had the best success that you would ever think that you could have, what would you actually do after that? What's something that would push you forward, that you would absolutely do, even if you had unlimited amounts of money, unlimited time of freedom, or anything like that? Picture yourself. What would you actually do? And this is the best way that you will find what you want to do. So, with that being said, make sure that you do subscribe, because I'm putting out content every single day. So do subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, because otherwise you just won't get anything, because YouTube is kind of weird and they don't tell you even if you're subscribed, so that's kind of weird. But you do want to hit that notification bell. Also, you do want to leave a comment, tell me what you think of this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.